All right, and we're here at Crow Hall at Wash U.
Crow Hall.
And as you heard from Jason, apparently we get a fun surprise on this one.
Start with the down ride.
Interesting.
Very interesting.
What were they doing when they modded this?
What the hell?
All right, well, let's use this panel. This one looks like more fun.
Well, you both get to have a panel to look at. Now there's
Yeah.
no arguing. Who gets to
I'll
stand by
take
the
this one.
indicator?
I win.
Hi, Jason.
I win again.
Yeah, see you there. Oh, anyway, let's back away and get my clickbait thumbnail shot. Here. Can we trade positions?
Yeah.
It'll be a little funnier together for this side, I think. There we go. That's my thumbnail.
Just so bizarre.
Yeah.
It works.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with it. Just an odd design choice.
Yep.
There's a Jason. He always pops out from somewhere at the end of these videos.
Okay,
That's it.
that is it.